Hey guys, so as you might be aware, recently I broke my iPad screen. It is fully functional, but the front panel or the glass is broken. I want you guys to just give it a guess and tell me how much it would cost to fix this thing. I'll give you options, so don't worry. 5 to 10k, 10 to 15k, 15 to 20k, or none of the above. You may be surprised, but the answer is none of the above because it costs a whopping 29,000 rupees. Funny thing is, I bought this for about just 31k, so basically they are offering me about 2000 rupees as a value or worth for this thing right now. If I sell it outside, I might easily get around 7 to 10,000 rupees. So it all sounds ridiculous, right? So let me explain why it is like this. Basically, Apple does not have a repair program when a screen is broken. So all they do is just replace it. So if you are subscribed to Apple Care Plus, then it may cost a nominal 4,000 rupees or so. If you don't, then you are screwed. I mean, they quoted me 29,000 rupees in one of the authorized Apple service center. I mean, this also depends on the model and the purchase date, and you can see here I have the iPad mini 5, which is over 1 year old. If Apple cannot offer such repair services, they can at least outsource this to some third-party repairers so that a customer can confidently go ahead and get it repaired. They generally don't seem to be that flexible with this idea either. So the only way out is to find some local solution or a repairer. So I did shop around and they quoted me anything around 3 to 6,000 in different places. But they said they need to replace both the touch and display as it comes as a complete set. But there are a lot of concerns like how is the quality, durability and trust. I believe this is also the same case with the iPhones. I mean, a lot of people buy iPhones and it is not very uncommon to break the phone screen. So I think Apple needs to really go a long way in terms of improving hardware services and support. And it seems Apple is currently least bothered about it, at least here in India. So I hope this kind of improves and make sure you don't break the screen or you're pretty much screwed. Anyway, so I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please like this video, also subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.